All right, guys, so I've got the ACMER K1, the 12-watt desktop laser engraver. So this is the part where we're going to unbox it. I'm going to take it all out. I'm going to see what's in here. And yeah, so let's just get to it. Since this is an active print shop, my printers are going and I'm having my H2S is having a day. So just need to help him out a little bit here. We open her up. We've got our literature. There's some sample material in here that they've given us to try it out. Let's go ahead piece by piece here and just see exactly what we've got going on. Now, we've got the owner's manual pulling off the top. We've got more foam. And it looks like that's just about it. We're going to pull out the actual laser engraver itself. Here is the actual module itself. And this is my first time unboxing as well. I have not opened this prior to see what's in it. We're all getting a first look at this thing together. All right. There's the size of it. Not crazy big, right? That's the whole point. This is for a desktop. So here's my phone, an S25 Ultra. I mean, not very big at all. We've got the adapter for the vent hose to vent this to either an air purifier system or to out the window, which is what we're going to do here. Got the power cord. Some more foam. We've got our safety glasses. And then we've got the little piece of acrylic to measure the distance for the actual laser itself, depending on what material you're putting in there. We've got a wrench, got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 4 Allen keys, and then we've got the screw for the thumb screw for the laser. We got a cleaning cloth for our glasses, laser module itself, ACMER K1. We've got a USB-A to USB-C, so we can connect it to our computer. The gantry and everything is already connected. The mount for the laser is connected. All we have to do is slide the laser in, connect it, and it should be pretty much good to go. What I'm gonna do is go through the manual quick, just to make sure that I'm not missing anything on our initial setup. Now inside, we've got the main machine, we've got our laser module, power adapter, USB cable, goggles. We've got the materials, we've got the toolkit, and we have the engraving pad, which sits in here, which you can just push up from the backside and you can pull that out. Lo and behold, let me pull the gantry out a little more. And be easy when you're pulling on the gantry. There's more foam back here that we need to get out. They did pack this thing extremely well. So if you do order this thing, I would not expect it to arrive with any kind of shipping damages. It is sealed full of foam that you will probably be finding for days. So on the side of the machine, we've also got the power switch. We've got a USB socket for the computer. We've got a DC power jack, and we've got the Tetra wire hole. So on the front, you got your protective cover, which is actually red. Let me get that nice peel. Nice thing about this is this is truly a desktop engraving machine. With this cover on, you can have it on your desk and be watching it without having to wear the safety goggles. If you open it up to take something in and out, make sure you follow the proper safety protocol. So there's also a light inside of here, and there is a belt tensioner on the Y-axis back here in case that gantry starts to wear out a little bit. Now on the back side, we've got our emergency stop start button there, and then we've got our exhaust port here for any kind of fumes that may be coming out. So let's go ahead and attach that. That just goes in and spins. Just easy, just like I said, right? There it goes. So that's in there. Now let me attach this laser module. Comes in a one of those electronic static proof bags. Cool. So these are all these are stuck on here with magnets. So it's all magnetic, which I really like. Inside here is going to be your focal length measurement tool. What you do is you stick whatever material you want to engrave in here. Set this on it. You bring your laser down until it's touching it, and then that's how you set your focal distance. That's everything we have in the box. Very little assembly. Sticking the laser module on here. Sticking the laser module on here. Slide it on the sides. You bring it down, and there's a little tensioner screw right here. Tension it down to where it needs to be. And that's it, folks. So as far as unboxing this thing goes, it's very simple. And I was pretty impressed with how well it was packed with all the foam and everything. So I'm going to go pull up the software, get some things going, and then we can go ahead and give this guy a try out. We're back in ACMER Studios. Over here on the computer, I've got my media group logo loaded up. We've selected the USB port. We've got what laser engraver, not printer, what laser engraver we have. Surface type is going to be flat. Now the material that I want to print on. So the laser is a 12 watt diode. We're going to do this on the wood. This is going to be the basswood, and the thickness here let's see if they told me what the thickness is. They did not. We'll go with a 3mm because it is very thin. All right, so I'm going to try to center my logo up here. Let's see if I can arrange it. Bring it to the front, obviously. I'm going to try to make this guy as big as we can here. Okay. Now I'm going to put the piece of wood in and use my piece of acrylic here. I think that's what that is, acrylic, to adjust the height of the laser. And I just simply loosen that screw in the back, tighten it up, and I pull out, and I pull that out. Now I'm going to set this in the corner of 1 and 1. Well, there we go. So after a little trial and error, make sure the safety stop is off. We got her printed. It looks like it's going relatively quickly too. So I'm excited to see just how long this takes. We started it about 1 minute ago, and I'll see if I can remember to keep track and see how long it takes. So we'll come back when this is all finished, and we'll go from there. All right. I'm going to take this moment to give you this disclaimer. So ACMER did send this out to me free of charge. This is my product to keep after my review, but no might exchange hands. They did not give me any kind of guidelines, and I have full creative freedom to say what I want about the review about this product myself. If this thing sucks, I'm going to tell you it sucks. If this thing is awesome, I'm going to tell you it's awesome. I'm really looking forward to using this thing. I think it's going to be really awesome. And yeah, so back to the video. All right, so our first cut is done. That took maybe 5 minutes. I'm gonna pull it off here and see what it looks like. Now, I will say that it is not centered, but that is my fault. All right, I did not center it in the software correctly. I need to do some more learning on the software, but this turned out really neat. It's just etched right on the surface, engraved. I did start one print, and I engraved my print bed a little bit, but that's neither here nor there. So, first print done. Let's put this thing through the paces. I'm gonna get some other kinds of materials, and we're gonna really rock this thing out.